What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave, and I'm out back behind Signature Glass Tinting. You're looking at a 2019 Mini Cooper S. The person that owns this car chose the Lumar ceramic CTX 15% all the way around. We did the sunroof and what's called the Windcoast 10%. This car has two sunroofs. I'll show you them both. And of course, we tinted the front windshield with the Lumar Air 80, and we'll also come back and look at that. So let's start with this first little front door. We digitally cut every single piece of film on the plotter. We use the Tint Tech 2020 cutting system. We install the film, and then we file and shave the edges so that there's no light gaps. It's the right way to do it, guys. Never do we hand cut on a car. The rear quarter windows, again, we cut them out on the plotter. We installed them in what we call a one-piece installation. The back window, again, digitally cut on the Tint Tech 2020 cutting system. As you can see, it fits perfect. There's no extra film. It's not cut short. There's no light gaps. This is the way you do a back window. Look at the sunroofs. This car has two really, really big sunroofs. And we tinted them both. Again, we chose the Windcoast 10%, 92% heat rejection. They look great. They block the heat. And this customer can now leave their shades open and drive around and not bake in the car. Again, here's another door we tinted. No light gaps, looks great. Never did we put a knife on this car. We didn't remove the door panel. Nothing's loose, nothing's rattling. Take a look at the windshield. Lumar Air 80, 99.9% UV protection. I think it's like 86% infrared heat on a clear film. I mean, what else can you ask for? Plus, it's Lumar. It's going to last forever. So let's review. 2019 Mini Cooper. We tinted every single window on this car. Of course, we utilized the Tint Tech 2020 cutting system. Every piece of film was digitally cut. All the roll-up windows were filed and shaved. Lumar ceramic CTX 15 on the back three, front two doors, Lumar Air 80 on the windshield, and of course the Windcoast 10% on the sunroof. Lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Signature, of course, is famous for our no charge, no fault guarantee. All the side windows on this car, if they're ever scratched, if they're ever broken, vandalism, car accident, I don't care what happens, bring the car back, I'll retint the car for free. You can find us on the web, signaturetint.com, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Give us a call, 949-515-8468. You can even stop by and take a look at our display boards if you want. We're open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thanks for watching, guys.